Okay, I'm doing question 55 from the back of the review packet. 55 is from our statistics unit, and it is a no calculator problem. Each game costs $2 to play. Game winners are awarded prizes of the following values. A small prize is $1, a medium prize is worth $2, a large prize is worth $3, and a jumbo prize is worth $5. For question 55, you have to calculate the expected payoff for the spinner game. There are 4 options for the spinner game. You can land on green, a 30% chance, and win a small prize. You've got a 30% chance of landing on yellow and winning a medium prize, a 30% chance of landing on blue and winning a large prize, or a 10% chance of landing on red and winning a jumbo prize. So to start solving this, I went, just for the sake of visualizing, I made a probability distribution chart. So for the chance that you spin green, yellow, blue, and red, for the first column, I put the probability 0.3, 0.3, 0.3, and 0.1. And then for the bottom row, I did the, monetary takeaway you would get from each possibility. So for if you land on green, the small prize is worth $1. $1 minus 2 is -1. For yellow, you'd win a medium prize, and so that would be 2 minus 2, 0. Pretty basic subtraction. Then for the large prize, 3 minus 2, 1. And jumbo prize, 5 minus 2 is 3. So, pretty easy. Then, to solve, you would just basically take the expected payoff, and times it by the probability, and then just add that with all the other options, same deal. So it overall comes out to be -1 times 0.3 plus 0 times 0.3 plus 1 times 0.3 plus 3 times 0.1, which sounds crazy, but is actually pretty simple once you simplify it down, because it is basically -0.3 plus 0 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. And -0.3 and positive 0.3, they just cancel out to equal 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. And then if you just add 0 to 0.3, it's 0.3. So the expected payoff from the spinner game is 30 cents. So pretty easy. There are a couple of mistakes you can make. Nothing too, well, they make you get the question wrong, but, they're pretty easy to fix. One is if you forget that each game costs $2, or you don't read that, and you just go straight to the prizes, and that's the expected payoff. That would give you completely different numbers and a completely different answer. But hopefully if you went over and checked your work, you would be able to notice that happened, or, read the question carefully, possibly annotate it if it helps you to do that. Another possible issue you could have is if you forgot, the negative sign down here and have that as a positive one, then, that gives you a very different answer. It would be 90 cents, so just, check over your work, make sure you're not forgetting anything, and you should be fine. Good luck with the rest of the packet and on the final.